Alright, so I got basic tools, you know, like I got this. I got another thing too that goes to like 2001 or something, you know. I'm trying to open this up with one hand. But anyway, yeah, I got this thing, you know, so I got this to get in the cars, you know. One of the things anyway. But yeah, this is like 30 bucks or something, but that would help me. Because I got a lot of old school stuff for getting into cars, and it goes up to 2001. But this will help me get like into like other cars and stuff, you know. And then with that. And then, you know, how the heck did that get in there? Anyway. See, I got my picks there. Some more picks. I got followers. And I got the basic tools and stuff, you know. Just open here. Yeah. And I got other things, you know, like I got 2 pick guns, and I got my files, a whole bunch of little knickknacks and stuff, you know. So I got that, you know. And then in here I got screws for some reason. I don't know why I got these screws in here, but got nails and screws. I don't know why I put those in there. And then I got other stuff over here, you know, my security pins and stuff that I have. And in here, you know, I have other stuff, you know. I don't know why. I got that. I got my stamps. I got a whole bunch of, you know, just keys already made, you know, that I can use, you know, a few other things, you know. And then down here I got some more stuff. Where the, I guess my key thing isn't in there though. Oh, what the hell happened to my pins? I thought my pins were in here. Well, my pins must be somewhere around here. Oh, wait. No, where the hell are my pins? Huh. I could swear I have my pins. Anyway, I guess I gotta go find my pins. I don't know where the heck they went to. Let's say, oh, wait, maybe they're in here. Wait, no, they should be in here. I gotta find my pins. Yeah, they're not there. Yeah, they're not there. Huh. Alright, so I gotta find my pins. And, yeah, that was surprising. I don't know what the hell happened to my pins. And, yeah. So I got the basic tools, you know, and then I have my, walk over here. I know it's messy here, I haven't cleaned yet, but anyway. Yeah, see, and then I got my key machine right there, you know. And I gotta find my pins. I don't know what to do with those. I swear they were in there. Well, a quick note, I found my pins. I just didn't lift up the tray. You know, yeah, I got these pins too. I'm about to show you this. And I have these pins too. I got this. Alright, so I did have my pins in there. That was just in the bottom of the other thing. I thought they were in the bigger one. I guess not. Anyway, so that's my basic tools. You know, I got a good deal on these too. You know, I think I spent like $200 on all these tools. You know, so yeah, I got a really good deal. You know, and I got some locks too with it too. You know, so I got all these tools. Yeah, so yeah, and I got my key machine over there too. Yeah, you know, so that's the tools I have for locksmithing. I'm hoping to get the decoder so I can do the smart locks. Then I feel more comfortable about going out and working. You know, so that's my tools I got. Thanks for watching.